here. Traffic light at Bailey and Genesee Street in Buffalo still not fully fixed. One of the light poles knocked over during that strong windstorm just a few weeks ago. Here at 7 News, we've been covering this story now for the past week, listening to your frustrations on the confusion and danger that this malfunctioning light is causing. And since we aired that story, we have heard from more people. Denise emailing us here to the station saying the street light on Bailey and Genesee is still not fixed at this point. She says it's a 4-way stop and not everyone is obeying. 7 News reporter Michael Schwartz went back out to the intersection today to find out what's going on and why the delay in fixing this problem.
Another week and the traffic light at this busy Buffalo intersection of Bailey and Genesee is still not fully fixed, but there is some progress being made. You could see the traffic light is now blinking red. It wasn't when I was here last week. And stop signs have been put on temporary poles instead of just those wood stands. This has been going on now for more than 3 weeks after that powerful windstorm knocked down the traffic light pole across the street at that other corner. I was here last week and there was a lot of traffic, a lot of honking and miscommunication. This was an accident waiting to happen, is what one woman told me. Is this dangerous?
Yes, it's very dangerous.
Back here in the newsroom, I did just get an email from the Deputy Director of Communications for the City of Buffalo, who confirmed that the flashing red lights are a temporary fix, but says that weather impacted the Department of Public Works efforts the last few days, but they plan to be back on site this week to continue with the repair. Of course, I will follow this story until it is fully fixed. We're a Voice for Buffalo, Michael Schwartz, 7 News.